এবং দৈনন্দিন কিভাবে অল্প অল্প করে কথা বলে ফ্লুয়েন্টলি ইংলিশে একটা কমিউনিকেশন বিল্ড আপ করা যায়, সেটা নিয়ে আমি কাজ করছি। আর আমি আপনাকে গ্যারান্টি দিচ্ছি, যদি আপনি আমার সাথে থাকেন, আমি আপনাকে শেখাবো কিভাবে জিরো থেকে একদম টপ লেভেলে যেতে হয়। গ্লোবাল কানেকশন। You are no longer limited to city you live in. You can share ideas with someone like in Tokyo, London, or New York. You become a citizen of the world. You become citizen of the world. The language of opportunity. The world's biggest platforms, science, technology, aviation, and diplomacy, all speak English. When you speak, you are not just looking for a job, you are choosing a career. Confidence is magnetic. There is a unique power that comes from being able to express your thoughts, ideas, missions clearly and perceptibly. It changes how people see you. But more importantly, it changes how you see yourself. Don't aim perfection, aim for connection. Many people stay silent because they are afraid of making a mistake. But remember, communication is about impact, not perfection. A broken sentence spoken with courage is worth 1,000 perfect sentences never said. Every time you stumble over a word, you are growing. Every time you feel that, bring a fog. You are rewriting your mind for greatness. Your accent is a sign of bravery. It means you speak one more language than the person judging you.